Hi again and welcome back to my channel. Last week I got a request to make a mermaid cake for Charlotte. They gave me total creative freedom with the design and just asked to keep it simple. So I came up with this cake design. Let me show you how I made it. I started by preparing 4 layers of vanilla sponge cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream between each layer. Once the 4 layers were stacked, I trimmed the edges to get a clean shape for smooth icing. So the whole cake will be covered in Swiss meringue buttercream, and I'm using a 3-color blend: purple at the bottom, blue in the middle, and pink on the top. I popped the cake in the fridge to chill for 15 to 20 minutes, and when I came back, I added the 3 colors of buttercream that I mentioned earlier. I'm using a spatula to smooth out the layers of the colored buttercream. If you notice any uneven spots, just add a bit more buttercream and smooth it out again with a cake smoother, and just keep it going until you're happy with the finish. Now I'm getting all my decorations ready. Here I'm using my mermaid tail silicone molds. I use the same 3 colors as the buttercream: purple, blue, and pink. And I'm making some mermaid tails along with a few coral pieces too. I added floral wire to the mermaid tails so they can stand upright firmly on the cake. Now I'm making a name plug in the shape of a seashell. I want to make sure it's big enough to fit the name Charlotte. I'm using a fondant tool. Here I'm adding some line imprints to give the shell more details. I'm using these alphabet embossers for the name. They have such a pretty font. I love how clean and elegant the letters turned out. Later on, I'll paint the name with gold edible paint so it stands out and is easy to read. I printed some mermaid pictures from the internet onto an edible icing sheet. I think they'll look amazing on the cake. I also made a few seashells using white fondant. It's simple, but they add a really nice touch. Now I'm attaching all the fondant mermaid tails, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm painting the name with gold edible paint so it stands out clearly. I used a bit of melted chocolate to stick the seashells name plaque onto the cake. Then I added the mermaids, corals, and all the fondant shells around the cake and on the top. To finish it off, I brushed a touch of gold on the top rim of the cake and on the mermaid tails for a little extra shine. I'm also making a number 5 since Charlotte is turning 5. This one's painted gold as well. And finally, I added some edible pearls in different sizes to give the effect of floating bubbles. I think it turned out pretty cool. What do you think? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more cake tutorials. See you again next time.